Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by J Sir. Here we explain 11th Physics, Chapter 1 Physical World. Here we will explain second type of fundamental force in a nature, that is electromagnetic force. Last time we already explained gravitational force, that is first type of fundamental force. This is second type, electromagnetic force. So remember this point. This force is given by Coulomb's law. Remember the name Coulomb. This is famous scientist who discovered this law. That's why this law is known as Coulomb's law. According to this law, F means electromagnetic force is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. Now what is Q1 and Q2? Remember this point. Q1, this is called charge of first particle, charge on a first object, while Q2, this is charge on a second particle. So F is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. In gravitational force, we consider F is directly proportional to M1 and M2. But here we have charged particle. Remember one more point. F is inversely proportional to R square. So F proportional to 1 upon R square. Inversely proportional to R square. Where R is known as distance between two charged particles. Now, if we combine these two equations, then we can say that F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 upon R square. This is our proportionality sign. If we remove our proportionality sign, so here we introduce proportionality constant. So our equation becomes F is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where K is known as Coulomb's constant. Remember this value. Its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square upon Coulomb square. Now what is capital C? So remember this point. Charge is denoted by Q. Electric charge is denoted by Q and its unit is denoted by C. C means Coulomb. Okay. So remember this topic. Now remember statement of Coulomb's law. Here we can say that Coulomb force or electromagnetic force is directly proportional to Q1 into Q2 and Coulomb force is inversely proportional to R square. So by combining these two equations, we can say that F proportional to Q1 into Q2 upon R square. Clear? So the Coulomb force between two stationary point-like charges. Remember this point. Coulomb force is valid for stationary charges, rest steady charges. Clear? And point-like charge is directly proportional to product of charges. Product of charges means Q1 into Q2. So F is directly proportional to Q1 into Q2 and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Inversely proportional to square of distance means 1 upon R square. Okay, inversely proportional to square of distance between them. This statement is known as statement of Coulomb's law. Now here we will discuss its important property. First property, electromagnetic force or Coulomb force may be attractive or repulsive. Clear? So remember this point. Gravitational force is always attractive type, but electromagnetic force may be attractive or repulsive. Now remember this point. Like charges repel each other. Like charges means same charges. They will repel each other, while unlike charges attract each other. Unlike means not same charged particle. Okay, so they will attract each other. Now remember a simple example. So there are two types of electric charges. This is basic concept of electric charge. Number one, positive charge particle. Positive charge, its example is proton, it is denoted by P. And negative charge particle or negative charge, its example is electron, it is denoted by E minus. Minus sign represent negative charge. Now here we explain this topic again. Like charges repel each other. Like means same. So suppose we have two proton, so they will repel each other. Suppose we have two electron, E minus, E minus, so again they will repel each other. Similarly, unlike charges attract each other. Unlike means first charge is positive charge, second charge is negative charge. Suppose we have proton and electron, positive and negative charge particles, so they will attract each other. Second property, it obeys inverse square law, because we know that F proportional to 1 upon r square, so it obeys inverse square law. Third property, it is long range force, clear, as gravitational force. Fourth property, it is central force, because this force acts towards the center of charge particle. Fifth property, it is conservative force, okay, as gravitational force. Sixth property, its magnitude depends on a medium between charges. Suppose we have different medium between electric charges, so magnitude will change, okay. So magnitude depends on medium. Next property, property number 7, exchange particle for this force are photons. So remember this point, exchange particle for this force are photons. Now remember example of electromagnetic force. All types of contact forces are electromagnetic force. EMF means electromagnetic force. Here we have some example of contact force. Number 1, friction force. This is the basic type of contact force. Clear? Second point, tension force. Tension force is produced in the string, so it is electromagnetic force. Number 3, normal force. It is also type of electromagnetic force. Next, spring force. Force produced in a spring, that is called spring force. It is also type of electromagnetic force. And last, chemical force. Clear? Some chemical reactions occur because of chemical force. This is nothing but this is electromagnetic force. Now here we are going to explain example of electromagnetic force. Suppose we have first charge Q1 is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. We have second charge same as Q2 is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Suppose distance between two charge is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So R is equals to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Find electromagnetic force or Coulomb force acting between two charge particles. We have equation of Coulomb force, F is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Already we discussed this equation. K is called Coulomb constant. Its value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 is charge of first particle 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Q2 charge of second particle 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon R square. R means 10 raised to minus 10. So 10 raised to minus 10 whole square. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 20. Clear? Find the solution of this example. So your answer is F is equals to 23.04 into 10 raised to minus 9 Newton. So this is the electromagnetic force, Coulomb force acting between two charged particles placed at 10 raised to minus 10 meter distance in a air medium. Thanks.